Hey everybody, it's Kerry from Bab Speed Warehouse, and today is a special day. Not only are we going to do a weekly special on one item, we've got these new colors in from Xuron. They're designed specifically for flexible wire. That's your beading wire that we use. They're a little bit more expensive than our regular cutter, but our regular cutter is not good at cutting the flex wire. It's good in the beginning, but it's not good after a while because flex wire is steel and they're soft wire cutters, so they're not optimal, and I know you guys have to replace them quite a bit. Well, you won't have to with these new colors. So if this lasts through 4 of the other colors, then this is a super bargain. But what's really cool today, this is our 1,000th video we've uploaded to YouTube. We don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. We're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers. We've got, as of this morning, 906. We're going to get there pretty quickly. But this is our 1,000th video. So we're going to do something really special. I'm going to give you fireworks at the end of the video. Okay, so if you go and watch the video, it's not a long video. At the end of the video, we're going to give you a beautiful fireworks display to celebrate our 1,000th video. So, hey, try to help us get to 1,000 subscribers and hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere up there or at the end of the video. And we'd greatly appreciate it. And you've got one more week of shopping. You come in, we do gift cards in $25 increments. So you could also buy gift cards on our web site. And you can buy that in any amount. So stay tuned, watch the fireworks at the end, and watch the video on the colors. And you guys have a great day. Hey everybody, Kerry here from Bab Speed Warehouse, and what we're showing off in our weekly special is going to be on these colors. These are made by Xuron. That's a US made company, and they have carbon steel tips on them, which is designed specifically for flex wire so they don't dull from cutting flex wire. They have carbon steel, did I say that? Nice really thin tips, and we're going to go and cut a piece with it. There we go. You hear that nice snap? See? I think we cut right down to the tip. Let's go and see how close we can get to the tip. And a little in from the tip. I don't think I get any cutter to cut right at the tip. There we go. That was really good. So these we normally sell for $25, and we're going to do a weekly special, $19 a pair on them. Now remember, if you spend $50, you get for over $50, $50.01, you get free shipping. So add some more stuff to your package, to your order, and we'll give you free shipping on it. $19 and most excellent. These are US made, did I say that? And by Xuron, which is an excellent company. So I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the fireworks at the end of the video. We're going to give you a nice little firework display for our 1,000th video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.